Good morning everyone, I'm Pedro Graterol. Over at the camera is my friend Andrew Goodwin. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best breakfast that exists in the world, or at least I am biased in favor of it, which is Venezuelan arepas. It's a really nice recipe. You need corn flour, particularly this brand, so it's like grounded corn flour. You need water, oil, and salt. Here's the salt. So the first part of the recipe involves putting 2 cups of water in a bowl like this one. Oh my god, good morning. You put these 2 cups of water. Or let's make it 1.5 cups of water. And then I have 2 cups of flour. So this is a 1 cup measurement. So let's put it here. It's the first cup. Let's add a little bit more flour. Okay, now we're gonna start mixing the water on the water and the dough. I already washed my hand before this, but you just have to start mixing it until it becomes kind of like a medium consistency. You're gonna start kneading these for like 5 to 6 minutes until it just becomes a little bit more like Play-Doh. We're gonna put a little bit of salt. And we're gonna continue mixing it. So now we're gonna get it all to a point in which this shape. We're gonna like leave as much flour here. And then we're gonna deal with the pan. So let's wash our hands a little bit. If you're cooking this only for yourself, it's okay to like eat some of the dough at this point, because at this point the dough should be tasting really nice. But now the next part is you're gonna grab the pan. I'm gonna put it in medium heat. So let's put the pan here in medium heat, and this is the one. I always get confused which one is which. So, and then you're gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil, not a lot, but just a little bit. You're gonna make sure it evenly gets distributed throughout the pan. So we're like this. And then you're gonna leave it here. So it's like evenly distributed in medium heat. So it's nice. And now you wanna separate the dough in as many arepas you want to make. So in this situation, I'm gonna separate it in half. So once you separate it in half, you can roll it into a little ball. Oh, we got a lot. Probably gonna have to divide this one in half as well. So let's just get it into a little ball and divide this one in half. Same with the other one. You roll it a little bit, and then you're gonna divide it in half. And now you're gonna grab one, turn it into a tinier ball, and you start pressing it until it becomes a circle. It should be looking like this. So nice circular shape. And then we're gonna put them in the pan. So we're gonna repeat this process 4 times. So now that the arepas are in the pan, we're gonna wait in like medium to high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes until they're golden, and then we can flip them. So let's wait now. So like the good thing about arepas is that once this is ready, you can stuff them with anything that you want. So it's very good for like a breakfast food, or a lunch food, or a dinner food, or like a midnight snack. Also, they're super nice. Kind of come from the night that I've done it. So it's a very practical food, and it's super common in Venezuela. Before the crisis, the average Venezuelan ate 2.5 arepas per day, so it's like our to-go meal. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. So it's been a little while and we finished already the cooking, so let's flip them. Just because the first side is ready. We flip one. We flip this one. We flip this one. And I flip the big one too. And then we arrange them so they all fit in the pan. And they're gonna wait the same amount of time. This is probably gonna be a lower time just because the pan is already hot for the other side to get browned up. So I'll see you in a little bit. So some of these are already ready, so I'm gonna transfer them into a plate. So like this one, for instance, you can see how it's crisp on both sides. So let's get it to a plate. So it's this one, crisp on this side, and crisp on this side. Oh, this one's looking good. And we wait a little bit longer because these ones are taking their time, and that's okay. Not everyone goes at the same speed, and that is fine. A bit more cooked, you can see them here that they already have a golden crust. We flip them, it's already cooked. Oops! Happy little accidents, and we transfer it to the plate. And this one, you also have the same. We transfer it to the plate. And here you have 4 arepas ready. The good thing about an arepa, that just like life, you can put anything with it, and that determines its flavor. So with this one, because it's a college dorm, after all, we're gonna put ham and cheese on them. So what you do, that you grab a knife. This one has been, everything here has been pre-washed, by the way, just to make sure, no COVID safety. And you wanna open them a little bit and put the cheese inside. Oh, I did a really bad job opening this one, Andrew. It's okay. We open it like this, so you have a little incision. And then you put cheese inside. And then you eat it. Thank you so much for watching. Have an excellent day.